Rooms of the house.
Magic English.
Attic. Attic. The telescope is in the attic. Bedroom. Bedroom. David sleeps in his bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. Lucy washes her hands in the bathroom. Living room. Living room. Mary watches TV in the living room. Kitchen. Kitchen. Kate cooks some food in the kitchen. Dining room. Dining room. Mark and Julie have dinner with their parents in the dining room. All. All. The umbrella is in the hall. Basement. Basement. The washing machine is in the basement. Garage. Garage. My car is in the garage. Review. Attic. Bedroom. Bathroom. Living room. Kitchen. Dining room. Hall. Basement. Garage.